In this video, I'm going to review Supabase versus Firebase, two backend giants, one open source and one backed by Google. So first up, Supabase, the open source Firebase alternative. You get a real relational database with full SQL support. You also get authentication, real-time subscriptions, storage, and edge functions, all hosted and ready to scale. Developers love it for the transparency, flexibility, and the fact that you can self-host if needed. The learning curve is smooth if you are used to SQL. Then there is Firebase, Google's tried and true backend as service. It offers Firestore for no SQL storage, authentications, cloud functions, analytics, and deep integrations with Android. It's stable, scalable, and backed by Google infrastructure. But vendor lock-in, pricing at scale, and limited querying in Firestore can be downsides, especially for complex apps. So which one is better? If you want an open SQL based backend that gives you control, go with Supabase. And if you are building fast and need real-time features and love the Google ecosystem, you can stick with Firebase. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.